you want to create more space for your home, improve the way you live, or add value to your property, come in and see what we've done with our latest renovation. This magnificent deck has truly redefined outdoor living. We spared no detail in crafting this space, incorporating high-end terrazzo tiles, luxurious spotted gum cladding, and sleek glass balustrades. The result is a stunning oasis that not only enhances their aesthetic appeal, but also doubles the entertaining area of the entire home. As the sunlight bathes onto the deck, this space transforms into the perfect way to enjoy a morning coffee or a large family celebration. With 110 square metres of living space and an outdoor living space of 70 square metres added, this home has space for the whole family. Discover the added comfort of ducted heating. Upgrading of all the windows allows the sun to flow in or trap the heat in the colder months. In this project, we overcame challenges posed by the difficult hillside terrain and the two-storey construction. But with experienced project management and detailed planning, it all ran smoothly. Action Builders assisted the client from an idea to managing the approvals process and planning, to putting the keys into the front door of their brand new home. If you're inspired or curious about what's possible in your home, come and visit us at actionbuilders.com.au.